Okay, so this is my scientific experiment. Totally scientific. Let's get started. What is life? Yeah, I'm doing this at school. So we've been making a skate park thing. I'm filming a thing. It's for scientific purposes. Okay, so I've captured the most amazing thing you can possibly do on FET Energy Skate Park Basics 1.1.11, and it's making the guy swing like a pendulum. Now let's make it not slow motion. Let's make it normal motion. What is life? Okay, now let's pause it and let's see if it's any difference if we change this thing. Now I think I already have this captured.
This is true science.
Scientific experiment.
I noticed you were sad, so I brought you some science to cheer you up.
Hello everyone, this is M.E.L.S and here's Caleb from something unique, and today we're going to be making a DIY tutorial on how to make robot shoes. Socks. Make
robot
your friends
shoes.
think that, yeah, robot shoes. That's a clickbait title, right?
Yeah.
I mean, basically all it is it's sort of like a prank.
So we're gonna take, if you don't have an iPhone because you're a disturbed child like me.
No one knows what it's like to be the bad man, to be the Batman, like I do.
We're gonna take your flip phone, preferably a Verizon flip phone.
Hashtag not sponsored.
It's not sponsored. We're just cheap.
Yeah.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your flip phone, right? You're gonna stick it in your shoe, like so.
You mean your sock?
No, well, no, your shoe. In your shoe. See? Put it in there. Keep it open so the screen looks out, and that way it looks all cool and technology. Now make it so you still have the keypad showing, so you can call people. Yeah, that's how you make robot shoes.
Yeah. Wait. There's also another variant called robot socks. Wait, do the thing.
Okay, so robot socks is very simple. You put it inside the sock. Boom. And you can use the keypad.
Wait, and then here's another tip. Just stick it in, and then it like glows.
And then it glows and
Yeah, it looks cool. It looks like you have like a robot.
Robot foot. Alright, that was the tutorial.
That was the tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe, and also subscribe to my boy. Remember to like and subscribe to my boy Caleb from Something Unique. And we are the end of the video. Bye.